Hello, this will be for my SLO reflection number 2. If we take a look here, it is for the project analysis, and the questions for the reflection ask, why did I choose one option over the other? And how did your selection influence the media you used for this requirement? So my first option was originally going to be sewing. This is one of my hobbies, and I thought, in order to do an instructional, I should do something that I know a lot about. I decided to steer away from this just because I was more of a self-taught sewer, so I didn't really know a lot of this stuff. So when I was watching these videos, I had learned that maybe I didn't know enough correct information to give my audience. So then I went with a build it yourself, which was this desk that I ordered from Amazon. The reason that I chose this is because I feel like it helped me fit with a wider variety of audience. Due to coronavirus, I feel like it's really hard to get a desk and things like that. What was your intended decision? Media content. So I chose a desk that I had ordered myself, which was from Amazon. And I figured desks is a very huge market right now due to the fact that a lot of people are now working from home. You know, they're doing school from home, everything like that. So I wanted to find a desk that was really easy. So I needed a desk, and this project was the best way for me to kill two birds with one stone. So I picked a desk, and then going to project 2, there is a video. And on this page, I also included just a few safety warnings. This wasn't very hard to use, hard to build, but there was a large space that I did have available. I didn't have a friend, but I did think that this was something that was important to include because although I did it by myself, others could need some help. And then I just decided to add, make sure you're cautious of your surroundings because I feel like that was something that was very important. One other thing that I really liked was all materials were included within the desk. So everything that the audience needed would come with the desk they are trying to build, essentially. And this desk was not very difficult to build at all. If you watch the YouTube video, I got through it very fast. It was really meant for everybody of all ages. It would be super easy, very simple, but also very effective. It's not very wobbly, it's very supportive, and I feel like altogether the desk was the best solution for my project. And I feel like hopefully more people in the community who needed desks and are looking for an easy, quick building desk that's really nice and has an aesthetically pleasing kind of vibe to it, this is something that I would definitely recommend to them. Thank you.